Hello everyone, how are you? Today I wanted to share something very personal. Not just about English, but about my family, my life, and the small step that changed everything. Because sometimes the people around us don't believe in our dreams. And that's when we have to believe in ourselves even more. When I first decided to learn English, my family laughed. Not in a cruel way, but in that you can't be serious way. They said, "You, English, we have never even heard you speak in public." But deep inside, I knew I wanted to change something. I wanted to understand movies without subtitles, talk confidently to anyone, and prove no to them. But to myself that I could do it. So I started small. Every morning I would wake up before everyone else, sit quietly in the living room and talk to myself in English. It felt weird but powerful. I used to record my voice, repeat lines from movies, talk to my mirror, and slowly I started hearing improvement. Still, my family did not notice. Until one evening we had a guest. Someone asked me a question in English, and without thinking, I replied fluently. The room went silent. My family just looked at me surprised. That moment, I did not need applause. Their silence was enough. Because finally, they saw what I had been working for. That day, I realized you don't have to shout your progress. One day, your result will speak louder than your words. So my friend, if your family, friends, or anyone ever doubt your dreams, don't argue. Just work silently, because one day they will see your result and say, "I always knew you could do it." This was my story. Now tell me yours. How was the first person who did not believe in you? Comment below. I will read your story.